chair, that is the speaker, to introduce to us on this particular proceeding that is taking place today. Remember, on normal occasions, the normal plenary sittings, they usually start at 9:30, but this one is a special sitting that is considering the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Kericho governor, that is Dr. Eric Kipkoech Mutai, this morning. That is within the mandate of the Senate. And with regards to the procedure for removal of a governor, remember, after 7 days of receiving a notice of a resolution from the Speaker of a County Assembly, and you will remember that there was that communication that was done by the Speaker, having received the resolution from the County Assembly of Kericho on their resolution to impeach the governor. Then the Speaker of the Senate shall convene a meeting of the Senate to hear the charges against the governor. There was a motion that had sought to have this particular hearing be done by way of committee, but it was defeated on the floor of the House, and the House decided or opted to go the plenary way, and that is why or how we are here today to start those consideration by way of plenary. Currently is a 10-minute quorum bell. The House has not corrected to its required numbers. That is, at least 15 need to be inside the chambers. And we are waiting to see whether those members have reached the 15, the quorum as required. That is the 15 mark as required. Once the House achieves the quorum, we will hand you over to the live broadcast. Remember, the live proceedings are set to begin from 10 a.m. But this one is for the members to be able to get into the chambers, get a communication from the Speaker, and proceed into a pre-hearing meeting, which will be held in camera. So at that particular time, then we will be shutting down our cameras to let the pre-hearing meeting.
Majority Leader and the Minority Leader, take your seats, please.